My name is Kennedy. Now let us continue with our Django series. So in the last chapter we left where we have our Django admin panel up and running like this. So the next step now is to enrich our database with some data through the models file. So the first thing I'm going to do is to open my Sublime Text and navigate to the base app models. Then let us create some models here. So the first model I'm going to create is a class of let's say article. Then I'm going to inherit models dot model. Then I'm going to give it some fields. The first field is title, which is equal to models dot char field. You can call it character field, char field, whatever. Maximum length should be something like 100. And the next field is content, which is equal to models dot text field. With the text field, we just leave it like that. We don't specify any attributes. That is recommended by Django. So after that, we define our model by saying define underscore underscore str, then self colon. Then I'm going to return self dot title. So this will return the name of the model in the database. So with those two items, I think we are good to go. The next thing is to register this article in our admin panel. So we'll go to the admin and write this two items from dot models. We're going to import article. Article is the class model which is here. So we import it from the models so that we can register it in the database. Then we're going to say admin dot site dot register article, just like that. So we have registered the article and now we are good to go. So let me see if our server is up and running. That's good. So let us refresh the database admin panel and see our changes. So let me go to the home page of the admin panel first of all. But before that, I don't know why my server is taking too much time to refresh. Let me open another tab here. 127.0.0 8000. Let me close this one first. Then / admin. Let me access the admin panel. What's wrong with my server? Let me stop it first by Control C and run the server again. Okay, it's the attribute error module Django.db models has no attribute model. Did you mean models? Oh, sorry, there's a problem here. Models. This should be in capital. Sorry guys. So let us go back, refresh the admin panel. It's up and running. Now we have articles here. The articles here is the model which we have created. So return self.title, which means this is the articles. Now if you try to access it, it's telling us no such table base article. It is telling us that no such table because the database has to be populated so that the tables can exist in our database. So for the database to be active and populated, we have to run a command in the cmd command prompt. Let me stop it by Control C. Then I'm gonna type this command: python manage.py make migrations. Created model article. Now the last command is python manage.py migrate, just like that. Now it is applying all migrations. Whenever we make changes to the admin panel of the models, every model, if you add a model to the database like this, you must run these two commands: python manage.py make migrations, python manage.py migrate, so that the tables can be queried in the database and they can be fetched. So with those two commands, let me reactivate the server and now refresh the admin panel. Good. Now if you go to home page, articles, the article is here. So you can add another article, like say the blog. Let me say the blog masters. Then content, let me say people like social media. Save. Let me add another one and say let me say something like this is a title, and let's say this is my content blog. Save them. Now we have two model titles here. These are title and these are blog masters. Let me maximize the screen so that you can see everything. So in the articles, we have two of them here. This is article and this is blog masters. You can delete by coming here, delete. Are you sure you want to delete the article, the blog masters? Yes, I'm sure. It is gone. And you can add another one like this and say hello title. The content is here. Just like that. Save. The title, hey title was added successfully. Now that's how we can add data and any kind of material or query sets in our database. That's it for today, and let me see you in the next video. Goodbye. Peace.